How to use threads to cross post to Instagram. So in order to do that, first of all, let's open our thread, and in here let's try to create a thread. So for example, I'm going to write something like this. You can add your GIF, your any kind of photo, stickers or music, and you can even add more to the thread. And in here, before posting, there will be the option of post options right here. So tap on that one first of all. Then in here you can get the option of also share on. So what you're going to do is tap on that one, and then here you'll get the option of your Instagram. Simply tap on this option and enable it. Now what you're going to select is whether to share only this post or share all of the threads to your Instagram. So what I'm gonna do is simply select share this post only, just like this, and you're all set. You can now go back, and in here you can tap on done. Now all you need to do is tap on post, and like that you'll be able to use thread to cross post to Instagram, and that's it.